What's up, YouTube? You've seen the TikTok cloud light. Now it's time to take the TikTok cloud light to the next level. YouTube, the things I do for you. Listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lights. It is daytime. I had to tape a freaking 2 blackout curtains to my window to make this video happen. I had to reshoot this video. All right, guys. So we're gonna do it real quick and get to the point. We got the Galaxy Alpha light. They're pretty cool. You're gonna see how that looks. We have the Atmosphere. They're pretty cool. They're really cool. And then we have, I don't know, a Moonlight. I think it's called a Moonlight. So they're gonna be linked below. One company's website, which is this one, is currently not even live at the moment. I don't know what happened to the company. The other company's doing great. That one's linked below, so there you go. All right, so let's get to it. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna plug in one light in the center of the room and see what it looks like. There's my cloud light, and I'm gonna turn off the light, guys, and plug this bad boy in. 3, 2, 1. All right. Woo! This is the Galaxy Alpha or Alpha, whatever it's called. That looks dope. Now, I'm not gonna lie, guys. That is dope. That is actually really dope. Okay, what I was gonna say. Oh, yes. If you don't want to put a cloud light on your ceiling, you don't have to. Now, I think it looks really dope with my clouds, obviously. But even with those clouds weren't there, you could just plug this bad boy up, and just plug it in, turn it on, your room's done. That's really all you have to do. I think it looks really dope. Here's the different angles. Let's see here. We also have a app. Okay, here's the app. So this is... Okay, I'm gonna connect to the light. Hopefully that focuses. Real quick, this one has music. A few of them have music. So if you want to put nighttime music, there's an effect to that. This is pretty dope. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed, so I can't refocus well. There's white noise, which is terrible. There's fire. There's all types of stuff there. Let's go back to music. And we got our color selection. That's cool. Is there something else I wanted? Oh, here we go. Stars. Okay. So we got stars on. We got different modes that we're kind of cycling through. Where's the swirl? Okay, we got that. That looks pretty dope. Oh, that looks really dope. Actually, my camera's freaking out. But there you go, guys. That's the Galaxy White. That one is pretty cool. Just plug it in and you're good to go. Now we are going to unplug and plug in the black one. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Okay, got the black one plugged in. Basically very similar. I mean, if not the same. Let's be honest, guys. Whatever one's cheaper, I'm gonna be straight up honest. You know, I would go with that. This black one's pretty cool. It has the same settings, except it only comes with a remote control. There might be an app, but I didn't really see the app. So there is a remote control that you can do to kind of press different things. Let me see if I can do it. Ooh, whoa. That looks dope. Because like my cloud lights are off right now. And now my ceiling looks like that. That's pretty cool. Wow, that was pretty cool. And I don't know what I did. I'm just messing with the remote control. Let's see. I'm just randomly pressing buttons. I don't know what I just hit there. Because I'm sitting in the dark, so I cannot even see what I'm doing. But I know that there's ways to turn the lasers on and off, and there's ways to change colors, and there's different things you can definitely do with this one. So this one is also pretty cool. I mean, this one, it's got a little bit on the side wall, which is really nice. And this is actually smaller than the other one, but it seems a little bit more powerful. Yeah, it definitely seems a lot more powerful than the other one. So again, this one's linked below. So if you want to check this one out, go for it. Do your thing. Now, let me show you my favorite one. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there we go. All right, I have the last one plugged in. Now, this is the atmosphere one. That looks really good. I love the way that waves. I mean, it actually looks like freaking... it looks like a blob on my wall. Like, if you were seeing this in person, you would like, it looks 3D. It looks really, really good. Now, when it comes to the atmosphere, I like it better for the side walls. I mean, obviously the way it sits, you can kind of angle it at 3 different angles, but I think it's better to do on the wall. I'm sure if I wanted to really angle it to the ceiling, I could, but I think it's better for the wall. So if you're looking for like something in your bedroom that you want to just shine at a wall and just kind of keep looking kind of cool, this is the one. Now also, don't get me wrong, don't get it twisted. This one has the best support and best app. This one has an app called Smart Light. And let me see if I can pull it up here. Focus, focus, focus. Okay, and the good thing about Smart Light, or this brand, is if you go to add another device, let that focus, you can see this company's not messing around. They got lighting, they got sensors, they got appliances, kitchen appliances, security cameras. They have a lot of devices. Like, I love the whole ecosystem when it comes to light. I love Govee. That's why you see I use a lot of Govee products. But this product is also good too because it's got a huge ecosystem. So also, out of the 3, this is the only one that is Alexa enabled. It's also Google Assistant enabled. It has all this, bells and whistles. So what I was gonna do here, I was gonna turn the lasers on. There you go. And as you can see, the entire wall is filled up. So you can change those lasers. You can change the intensity of those lasers. You obviously can change the color. For some reason, that's my deal. That purple is like my color for some reason. But we got blue, we got green, we got red. You feeling like you got the Wanda from Marvel. You can rock with that red. But that purple, and that's my color. So anyway, guys, this one you can program different scenes with the app. You can schedule things, you can set timers. And again, this is the only one that does Google Assistant, Alexa, all that good stuff, smart home enabled. So these are really cool, guys. I have 3 different kinds. The links are below. But now we're going to do something really fun again. And we are going to turn all of them on in my cloud room and see what it looks like. So, what I'm going to do? I'm just going to turn them all on, plug them all up, and then press record. And you guys will see the result. Here we go. All right, YouTube. This is the room with all the lights all the galaxy lights turned on. I have not turned on the Govee cloud lights now yet. So let me turn on the cloud light and see what that looks like. Alright, YouTube. Thank you for watching, guys. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'm keeping this content coming every day. So we got the cloud light with all of 6 of these. So if you're not subscribed, guys, you better get subscribed. We got more lighting things coming up. We got some more Govee reviews to do. Wow. Haha! Sound activated! Ha 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 ha! Peace.